Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, your friend Novi. For today's video, we will be doing another unboxing. So we'll see what's inside the box. We have a couple of orders, but I don't think, I have an idea what's in here already. So we'll see if, it's the tracksuits that I ordered for Mac, Donnie, and of course for myself. I guess it is. It's from Adidas. Thank you, Adidas. Yep, it is a tracksuit. This is one. This is two for Donnie, and then one for Mac. So this is for Mac. Yep. This is, it's very nice cloth. Oh, it's very nice. So we decided to get Mac and Donnie same pair and same color, but a different size, of course. Max is kids, and Donnie is for toddler. So this is it's called a tracksuit. Yeah, Max is tracksuit 6 to 7 years old. Yeah, look at that. Mac,
Yes.
try this on. This is, yes, and for the next one, let's open Donnie. Donnie. Oh, cute.
But you mean
Look, Mac. Look, it's cute. And look at this. Yeah, so that's Donnie. Same, Donnie is 12, 18. Donnie. Daddy, look. What?
Are you watching a very funny video?
What looks nice? What? You didn't even see it. And now this is mine. Size 6. It's just a top rig. It's not a pair. It's not a pair. It's just a top. I thought it's pair. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next upcoming videos. See you again next time. Bye.